get back to the Dona Ana Mountains, there's a road I'm trying to get to. It'll take us right to the peak, right up there, right in the saddle, or to the right of the one on the right, somewhere in there. Anyway, that is the plan. Journeys with Jude and Tuli. Now, the road I want, Jody and I came up here once, not too long ago, because oddly enough, there's a Muslim cemetery out here, and like way out in the middle of nowhere. And we both remember there being a locked gate, but I got a way around it if it's there. So we'll find out. So here we come. Muslim cemetery over there. I'll try to get a shot of it, I guess. It's not very exciting though. Ornata Experimental Range. Salina Road. That's supposed to be a county road right here. And there's a darn gate. That is so annoying. Well, there you go. There's the Islamic cemetery, way out in the middle of nowhere. Crazy. Chihuahua Desert Nature Park, 56501 North Ornata Road. Now, excuse me, Apple thinks you can drive down this road. Well, 10 miles an hour. There you go, I guess maybe you can. Please stay on road. Okay, I'll do that. Please stay on road. Okay, well maybe Apple's right. Apple also thinks you can drive through the missile range, so don't always trust what Apple Maps tells you. But so far so good, all right. Well, this is gonna get me where I wanted to go, on the other side of that damn gate. It's not supposed to be there. It's County Road. I don't get it. County Road DO63. Hey, this road's awesome though. Well, it's the way to go anyway. Oh, the rut. So it's been raining a little bit. Oh yeah. It rained the other day. A whole bunch, like an inch. It was either Friday or Saturday, I think. It's almost a week ago. There's still spots of water though. Even on Ornata Road. Hey, this is awesome. This is what I'm talking about. Because there's roads that go all over up there. They got to come from the other way. We're coming from the east. You got to come from the west. And I live close to the east right here. I mean, I'm 7 miles from my driveway right now. 7.2. Those are the Dona Anas. The tallest one, I think, is 5,300 feet. It's not that high. What is that? That looks like bathrooms. Wait till I get out and show you guys where I am. I mean, this is pretty out there. That sure looks like a parking lot and some bathrooms to me. Jody would love it. These signs say, don't enter an arroyo. Stay on the road. Don't enter an arroyo with water, I guess I mean to say. What does this sign say? It says, parking area trailhead, see? So maybe this is as far as this road goes. On the map it shows it goes all the way through to DO63. Which gotta be just over there. Not very far. We're gonna find out. So sure enough, it's a bathroom and a trailhead. I don't see anything that says don't keep going this way. I don't know what that is. I guess they'll know if I'm not supposed to. There's a gate there where I can't go. So I think I can go this way and get on DO63. We're gonna find out. Right now. Road to the west closed ahead. What the heck are those things? I just don't know. Guess we're gonna find out if it's closed. If they have another gate to the left, I'm gonna be so upset. I think those are the Summerfield Mountains, which are part of the Dona Ana's. There's not a lot of info on these things. A little bit though. Just driving through the Chihuahuan Desert. Largest desert in North America. Look how nice this road is. I'm so impressed. Look at that thing of beauty. We still haven't come to DO 63 yet. We're 9.2 miles from the driveway. And we're right next to the mountains. Okay, here's a little spot. No problem though. Don't even need to set the phone down. Okay, here comes a gate. Oh, the excitement. You guys are living it with me. Oh, I see what we're gonna do. So there's a gate here. Let's go see what it says. Private property, not a through road. I do not understand that, but I guess I don't have to. Hey, relax. Okay, let me back up. Today's kit. Got the backpack with the water bag. Got the boonie hat for the shade. Got the water bowl. And I got the dogs. There's that gate right there. Now I talk about quiet. Now this is quiet up here. So that way's north. This way is east. Look how close we got to the mountains though. About 9.5 miles from the house. We're gonna walk up this little trail and get by these big boulders up here. We'll see how it goes. There's cows right there. There's a fence, but I'm pretty sure the dogs can get through it. See, they're kind of far away. The dogs don't know they're there yet. I think they'll listen. We're gonna find out, I guess. The cows are definitely curious. It is so quiet out here. I heard them kicking in the dirt. I don't know what the heck they're eating. I guess they like creosote or something. Because I don't see a lot of other stuff on the ground. Come on, guys, let's go see. Come on, let's keep going this way. Go up the trail. There's even glass on this trail. Oh, there's other people's footprints, pretty fresh. Yeah, cows don't care anymore. They can care till the cows come home, huh, guys? We're getting close to these rocks up here, the boulders. What is it? I don't know. It's Thursday. What is it, the 22nd maybe? Jude leads the cows. Good girl, Jude. Don't mess with the bull, young man. You'll get the horns. Look at these boulders, huh? Huge. I guess they came off up there. There's the fence. We're very close to the private property. I mean, it does seem grassier up there where those different cactus are, but that's not where the cows are. Come on, guys, let's go this way. Come on. Good dogs. Guess we're going to the left. That's good. We've probably hiked about 10 minutes, if that. Well, we're up by the boulders. Come on, guys, this way. Come on. They're big. I think I read these mountains are 130 million years old. So these rocks been sitting here for a while. They're tilted to the west, which is to the right, 15 degrees, and it seems to be that. You see that right there? Yeah. We'll keep going a little bit. Come on, guys. There's Julie. Nobody told me what kind of puppy he is. Come on, Jude, this way. Jude, what are you doing? Don't be crazy. Hi, Julie. Oh, I gotta check my altimeter. I'll check it before the next little cut. Oh, look at that fence goes all the way up there. See it? Still going. God, thing goes pretty high. I guess cows only go so high. I do know I would hear a rattlesnake from a long way off. It is so dang quiet up here. Ultimate quiet. Come on, guys. Definitely mountain lions. What else? Yeah, for sure mountain lions, coyotes, I guess. Javelinas. What else, guys? Seeing a mountain lion would be a hell of a thing. Look at the size of that sucker. It's so quiet. We'll stop and get a drink, guys. Get some water, Jude. Good girl. Judy, come on. Get some. She drank a little bit. Tuli drank a bunch. So, we're just sitting on a rock underneath this stuff. Got the sun beating down. Got the San Andreas Mountains and the San Agustin Pass off in the distance. And it's real quiet. Good stretch. Where's Tuli? Where are you guys at? There they are. There's Jude. You gonna get some water? Shh, it's okay. Whatever you see, it's okay. You just stay here. So the Jeep, there it is. Nice little hike, 15 minutes. What's up, guys? You guys having fun? Get some water. Get some water, Jude. Where's the water? I know you want some. There's Tuli. Definitely remember how to get back here. This place is awesome. Come on, Jude. Jude the Wonder Dog. Tuli the Nut Job. The Rum Dum. He's getting better. See, he wants to eat everything. He'd eat your face if you fell asleep, and maybe if you weren't. We're going, Julie. Get some water, Julie. Get some water. So quiet. Say hi. Hey, Jude. Hey, Jude, look. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, Julie. What are you doing? Come here, Julie. Come on. Good boy. What a good boy. Come here. It's a good dog. Good boy, Julie. Come get some water. Oh, there she goes. Good job. You're so silly. Convince the dog to drink cold water. No other animals are getting cold water out here, huh? Well, except when it's cold. Oh, Thule found her way too, man. Come here, Thule. Get out of there. Thule, come on. No, Thule, come. Thule, get out of there. Come on. Well, you can go through there. That's not cool. Thule, come here. If I were a critter, I'd live in there. Two things. I want to see inside there. Oh, okay. I suppose there's not a snake or something in there. But yeah, you got right through there. Right was the shadows were a little crazy. So we're going to go hike up to that one, I guess. And then we'll turn around, because the whole point is to get these suckers some exercise. Right, you suckers? Yeah, we'll just head up there and see what we see. Here we are, by that big-ass rock and the other big-ass rock. It's 4,620 feet. Which, I always thought Cruces said at like 4,600 feet. I think it's more like 4,200. I guess I'll look that up and put that in right here. Anyway, there's the Jeep. So we came a pretty good way. I didn't think we'd walk up this far, but we did. I even see more rocks like we could hit for that one, but that'll be next time. This is high enough for my happy behind. Dogs are loving it though. Jude, don't go over there. Come on. Good girl. All right, we're gonna start heading back. Wish me luck. Definitely no garbage up here off the trail. No broken glass, no cans. It's kind of shocking. Just lots of dried up bushes, giant yuccas, I guess. And the further up, the more yuccas there is, as you can tell here. It's pretty crazy. There's the fence up there. I don't know if I can pick it up. Oh yeah, there it is. God, it ends right there. Oh no, I see it goes all the way to the wall up there. Look at that. It goes all the way. Holy cow. I can see it with my naked eye. Can't see it with this. Wow. What a job. Where do animals get water in the desert? Well, this is kind of high. I know the birds come here. I would drink that if I was out here dying of thirst. So we were way higher than this thing, which was the original mountain rock I said I would get to. Not a mountain. And we ended up way up there. Very cool. Now, I think we want to go this way though. Trying to pick your way through here is it's something. Better take a few extra steps, I think, than take something where you're gonna twist your ankle or something. Get stuck out there, I have no service. I have satellite, so I could text Jody if I had to. Look at the size of this sucker. Gotta be 25 feet tall. Yeah, I'll go with that. No cactus yet. Let's go this way, guys. Come on, Grace. They are having such fun. Somebody built that for sure. There's no way that's natural. But when? I mean, long enough ago that a cactus grew up through it. And that looks like a dying cactus to me. There's a lot of sticks in there. It's a mystery. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. I see you. They're coming. And these are the last of the big boulders. Great for landscaping. Wonder what these weigh. A lot. There's our cows. Hey, Julie. Come on, Jude. There she is. Good girl. No walking backwards down the hill. That wouldn't be very smart. But I had to get the shot. The sun was just right. Fortune and glory. What is that? Indiana Jones? Fortune and glory, kid. Fortune and glory. Here we go. See, we could have gone that way. We'll go this way. There's Jude. Where's Julie? There he is. Hey, buddy. You're funny. Good boy. Well, they'll be ready to crash now. Yeah, this way. It's the fence over there and the cows. We're back by the cows. Have you seen him last time? There he is. Where's his buddy? Over there somewhere. Oh, I guess they could move. Hey, move. So funny. There's the other cow. And there's Jude. And there's the Jeep. Not far now. Ah, back in modernity, huh? So we're back at the Jeep. Back at the modern world here. Dogs want to run around a little bit, so what the hell? I don't think there's a lot of trouble they can get into up here. Well, actually there is, but anyway, so we hiked up to those two boulders right there. Doesn't seem that far. It sure wore me out. It's only about 65, not even today. Like, it is a nice chill day today in the Chihuahuan desert. As you can see, this road here, we're supposed to be able to go up that road and get up in there. And then there's roads that go back behind the mountains, the peaks there. I think these are the peaks. They're not even, I bet. So we can't see it from here. Oh, fun is being had. Nothing better than chewing on a yucca stick. Well, for Jude and Julie and Derek, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Somebody tell me what kind of dog Julie is. And tell me why there's gates on Dona Ana County Road 063. I don't get it. A local. What the heck's going on here? This road right here is the Hornada Desert Chihuahuan Nature Park or whatever. I get in big trouble. Probably not even supposed to be up here, you guys. Off leash. Why, it's a trail cam. Look at that. Right at the entrance to this little spot. My name's Derek. I live here. That's where we got stopped. Are you guys ready? I guess they just see who parks here. Like me. In case I dump a nuclear bomb or something. Or nuclear waste. I guess I wouldn't dump a bomb. Are you ready, Julie? Journeys with Jude and Julie. There's Julie. Should we get in the car, guys? Go see Jody and Biggie. Biggie Smalls, the big cat. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.